큰 규모의 발레 공연이 진행 중이었고 그 시각 공원에서는 은밀한 접촉이 있었습니다. 직접 어그로를 끌며 접촉한 남자가 도망칠 수 있게 만드는데 그 시각 공연에서는 여자가 큰 부상을 입고 말았죠. 직접 어그로를 끌던 남자 이름은 네이트, CIA 요원이었는데 그의 행동에 오히려 정보원 마블이 노출되고 말았죠. 이곳은 러시아 정보국이었고 바냐부국장이 호출되었는데 바로 어젯밤 공원에서 일어난 사건 때문이었죠.
Now we know his name is Nate Nash.
The man he was meeting, he simply walks away. Who is he?
한편 발레 공연 중 다리에 큰 부상을 입은 여자의 이름은 도미니카. 바냐는 도미니카의 삼촌이었고
They already have replacement for you at the company.
Have you come to commiserate, Uncle?
No, I've come to help.
도미니카는 발레단에서 마련해준 집에서 살고 있었는데 더 이상 발레를 할 수 없는 그녀는 언제 쫓겨나도 이상하지 않은 상황이었죠.
And I want to help you. So come see me when you're ready, please. There are no accidents. We create our own fate.
바냐는 도미니카에게 녹음기 하나를 건네줬는데
I went to see her at the hospital. The way she looked at me, she knows.
알고 보니 자신의 부상이 자리를 빼앗기 위해 계획된 사건임을 알게 됩니다.
Good. I think it's enough for tonight.
도미니카는 참지 않고 음모자들에게 향했고
Locker room, please hurry.
집으로 돌아왔는데
Mama? What? What happened?
I said they wouldn't fail anymore.
결국 그녀는 바냐를 찾아옵니다.
You broke her jaw.
So what do you want me to do?
러시아 정보국에서는 유스티노프라는 한 남자를 조사 중이었고
I want you to get to know him and get close to him and win his trust. It's one night, that's all I ask. Do this for your mother. Car will arrive at your apartment to bring you to the hotel. Make yourself presentable. You will stand out from the sort of women who tend to go there. I will make sure you are safe.
Glass of champagne, please.
계획대로 그가 접근해왔고
And let me keep you company while you wait. Tell me the real reason you are here.
I came to see you.
And what is it you want from me?
I want to be special again.
It's a beautiful room.
Can we be alone?
Take off your dress. Take off your dress. Come here. A crack in the eyes.
그렇게 이 남자가 혼자 뜨거워지려는 그 순간 러시아 정보부에서 사람이 나타나 타겟을 제거해버립니다. 도미니카에게는 매우 충격적인 경험이었고
Did it happen?
Ustinov dismissed his security. She asked him to.
She's a witness. Get rid of her.
I trust her discretion.
Who is she?
My niece.
You knew what would happen once I got him in that room.
You came to me, that was your choice.
He was inside me.
There's another life for you if you want it. You have potential, great potential. There is a program that can teach you everything you need to know. Perhaps you don't like my line of work. Perhaps you disagree. Be out of my hands.
결국 선택지가 없던 그녀는 훈련 과정을 받기로 하죠.
Welcome to State School 4.
You'll have to work hard to catch up.
I will do it as asked of me.
The Cold War did not end. The West has grown weak, is willing to make the sacrifices required for victory. From this day forward, you will become sparrows. You have been selected because of your beauty, because of your strength. Katya, Victor, come here, please. Here we deal in psychological manipulation. Take off your clothes. Your body belongs to the state. You must learn to sacrifice for a higher purpose. In my experience, the proud are the first to fall.
도미니카는 이곳에서 거센 훈련을 받으며 어느 정도 적응해갔고
3 days ago, Nash was reassigned to Budapest.
러시아 정보국은 네이트가 다시 마블과 접선한다는 정보를 얻게 되죠.
Nash is a skilled officer. That night in the park, he cares about the man. I propose we give him someone else to kill.
바냐는 네이트에게 도미니카를 붙일 생각이었고
Of assaulting a fellow cadet.
He tried to rape me.
It's only been 3 months, but I believe Katya still has potential.
러시아 정보국의 또 다른 요원인 코르치노이가 그녀를 직접 만나러 왔죠.
And would send his niece to State School 4.
A patriot.
You may go.
For the deception to be complete, you must hold nothing back. Give him what he wants.
감정을 버리기 위한 훈련으로 학교에서는 도미니카를 덮치려 했던 동기생에게 복종하라 요구하는데
Don't look at her. I want to watch you do it. Look at me.
더욱 과감한 행동으로 그의 자존심을 꺾어버리죠. 이번 일을 보고 코르치노이가 그녀를 데려가기로 했고
Car waiting to take you to Moscow. Goodbye, Dominica.
Welcome home. There is a traitor highly placed in the government. Amol, what I want from you is to get close and establish trust.
반면은 그녀에게 정부국에 있는 첩자를 알아내라는 미션을 줍니다.
I understand you are angry with me.
You sent me to horse.
It's what you were meant to do.
얼마 후 임무를 위해 부다페스트로 향한 도미니카.
Welcome to Budapest.
그녀는 스페로들이 머물 수 있는 집으로 향했습니다.
You must be Katarina.
Hello.
I'm in there, and you're through here. I imagine tomorrow you'll meet our station chief. And he likes to try it on with the new girl. He's going to like you.
이곳의 지부장인 블론포트를 만나 네이트에 대한 정보를 얻었고
Keep us informed of your progress.
Of course.
그녀는 네이트와의 접촉을 위해 그가 다니는 수영장으로 향합니다.
The pool is open from 6 in the morning, 6 to 8 on weekends.
Made a mistake. Sorry.
잠시 고민하더니 수영장 등록을 본명으로 했고 이곳에서 네이트의 시선을 끌기 시작합니다.
How did you know I was Russian?
It's just a guess.
계획대로 네이트가 먼저 말을 걸어왔고
Would you like to get something to eat with me?
I'm not hungry. Perhaps another time.
See you at the pool, I guess.
다음날 다시 수영장을 방문하는데 네이트는 보이지 않았고
Your ID is missing. Sorry, I'll have to make you a new one.
Under the name Katerina Zhukova.
네이트 또한 이상함을 눈치채고 도미니카를 조사했습니다.
That's bullshit. She's here for Marble. She's Ivan Igorov's niece.
네이트는 도미니카를 이용해 역으로 정보를 캐야겠다 생각했고
If she does let you fuck her, she's definitely
I
SVR.
need you to get me on the list for an event at the American Embassy. I've established contact.
There are always stories about sparrows and magic pussy. That's what they say. Just a bit of fun. If you need help, don't hesitate to ask.
To the American ambassador for television.
Dominika Gorba.
You stole my ID from the pool.
I'm curious. Did you want me to know you, or are you just real clumsy?
I'm sure if you know my name, you found out other things about me.
Your uncle is a very powerful man. Hey, I'd like to see you again.
Why are we going to become friends?
Have dinner with me there.
네이트와 헤어지고 숙소로 돌아왔는데
Malta?
동료 스페로인 마르타가 보이지 않자 그녀의 방을 뒤져봅니다. 마르타가 진행 중인 임무를 보게 되고 순간 그녀의 머릿속에 하나의 생각이 스쳐갑니다.
What's this?
Copy of a report Volantov sent to Moscow 3 days ago.
지부장 블론토프가 전부터 방해가 되자 도미니카는 그를 잠시 묶어두려 했고 술집에 있는 그를 직접 찾아갑니다.
You were right. I do need a friend. I'm impressed with the progress I've made with Nash.
How do I know you pay your debts?
You were right about sparrows. We are special. Someone not to laugh at your microscope. Tomorrow you will write a favorable report or I'll have you arrested. Good night.
그를 폭행죄로 만들어버립니다. 그리고 네이트에게 전화를 하는데
Come on up.
Can I have a drink?
Thank you.
So do you want to tell me what happened?
Why did you leave Russia?
I screwed up at work. What do you want, Dominic? I think you should probably go home and figure it out.
도미니카의 유혹을 거절하는 네이트. 다음날 그녀는 네이트가 없을 때 다시 그의 집으로 향했고 그의 집을 몰래 뒤지기 시작하는데요. 집에 돌아오니 반야가 그녀를 기다리고 있었고
I didn't know you were coming. What's the occasion?
You have any news about our American friend?
He's begun to lower his guard.
So how was he?
Unmemorable.
Is there anything out of the ordinary?
Something new. A case with great potential. An agent inside the American government is always a value. She's compromised. She has no choice.
What did you have in mind?
$250,000.
큰 건을 물고 온 도미니카를 보며 흡족해하죠. 하지만 이는 마르타가 공을 들여 진행 중인 건이었고
I've waited a lifetime for something like this. It's not yours to trade.
I will make sure you get the credit. I saw something I was not supposed to. I was there the night they killed Demetrius. They're telling you that they would cut my throat.
이어 역으로 향하는 도미니카.
Am I too late?
You can come back in the morning. We open at 9.
I wanted to open an account for a family member in case anything happens to me. Fill them out together.
미인계를 활용해 성공했고
Marta? Marta!
마르타는 싸늘한 주검이 되어 있었고
That's what it smells like. When you butcher an animal, you would see what happens. This is your only warning.
한편 네이트는 도미니카의 정체가 스페로임을 알아냈고
She is a fucking sparrow. Can't trust a fucking word that comes out of her mouth.
이어 그녀를 찾아갑니다.
Trying to seduce and manipulate. Call them sparrows. Is why a man would put his niece through something like that.
I was told to take a man to a hotel. Instead, they cut his throat. He died on top of me. Die. Or become a sparrow. Think you're running an agent.
Men that you work for, men like your uncle, they'll never let you go. Exist unless they say so. So, Dominique, work with me. Make them fucking pay.
Be your spy.
Yeah, because I would never ask you to do it. Why don't you take my room? If you do this, I'll do everything in my power to protect.
그의 말에 도미니카는 잠을 이루지 못했고
Can I trust you?
I promise you can.
그와 뜨거운 시간을 가지며 도미니카는 긍정의 대답을 합니다.
I'm really very glad that you're here. Go back to your normal routine. Go into work, write a report, say that I'm a fool and you've got me on the hook. That I need you to go home and just wait for my signal.
I'm just gonna ask you some routine questions to begin. Are you an officer of the Russian intelligence service?
Yes.
Are you willing to work for the American government?
Yes. I know the nature of the men I work for.
Did you engage in sexual intercourse with him?
Hey, that's...
We'd need to know if you're emotionally involved.
The answer is no. If I am to work for you, I will need money transferred to a bank account in...
도미니카는 이들에게 스완에 대해 말했고
Chief of staff run by the SVR.
Shall I provide you with the account information?
Oh, there she is.
To the left.
모든 준비를 마치고 타겟을 기다립니다.
What are you doing here?
But you might need some help after what happened.
Go upstairs. Room 624.
갑자기 나타난 블론토프를 쫓아냈고
Who the hell is that?
He's got a key. That's her boss.
잠시 후 진짜 타겟이 나타납니다.
We have a friend in common. Marta wasn't able to make it, so she sent me. $250,000 was a figure that you agreed upon. Don't you think you would be more comfortable in the private room?
Let's get this show on the road.
Do you have anything to sell?
I have the first set of discs with me.
Where's my money?
$250,000 per delivery.
Yep.
I just need to authenticate them.
Everything all right?
I just have to wait for them to load.
미리 준비한 디스크와 바꿔치기 했고
Why's it take so long?
Just one more minute. It's finished. Everything seems to be in order.
Did she get him?
She did.
We'll be in touch for the next delivery.
그렇게 도미니카는 이곳을 먼저 떠났는데
There you go.
We'll get the disc, take him back to the field office.
자신이 감시당하고 있다고 눈치챈 수안 도망치다 그만 트럭에 치이고 말았습니다.
Yeah? Change of plans. We go directly to Heathrow. The discs and your passport.
그런데 블론토프는 사실 반야가 보낸 것이었고 오히려 도미니카가 위기에 처하게 되죠.
Boucher is dead. Our guys outside went after the money to her. If they think she tipped us off, they're gonna kill her.
Fuck, Trish, we fucked her real.
You look nervous.
We're entering Terminal 2. Look like Aeroflot.
네이트의 도움을 거절하고 비행기에 탑승하는 도미니카.
I always had my doubts about it.
Give me the discs.
Did you give Miss Boucher to the Americans?
No.
You can start.
이어 그녀에게 고문이 가해지고 엄청난 고통 속에서도 그녀는 한마디도 하지 않았습니다.
Did you give Boucher to the Americans?
No.
Are you working for the Americans?
I love my country.
Last time, did you give Boucher to the Americans?
Oh.
그리고 이제서야 반야가 모습을 드러내는데요.
Please, make it stop.
I can only protect you if you tell me the truth.
If they have my real name, if they have Swan, if you torture me, they'll trust me. Send me back. Let me finish what we started. And they...
반야는 도미니카를 믿고 그녀를 풀어주었고
is furious about the loss of Boucher. The Americans will trust her. So you say.
She has made a fool of you, Ivan. Magmatolin, shadow.
If she's compromised, I promise she will be eliminated. Enjoy your night.
Did they grant my request?
Yes, they did.
You're right. I am like you, uncle.
자유가 된 도미니카는 네이트를 만날 수 있었고
Oh, God.
Because I told them that you would trust me now.
So what next, then?
I want to go to America.
It'll take some time, but we can't get around. How much do you want?
I need 250,000 for resettlement.
도미니카는 조건 없이 자신을 도와준 그에게 고마움을 느꼈고 잠시 후 잠에서 일어나는데
Nate?
전에 찾아온 암살자가 네이트를 붙잡아 두고 있었죠.
You know what this is? They use it for skin grafting. And I take my time with it. Until I see the white.
What's the name, Nate? What's the name?
So we go deeper.
도미니카는 그에게 협조하는 척하다가
Give it to me. Let me try.
방심한 틈에 공격해 쓰러뜨립니다. 얼마 후 누군가 그녀를 찾아오는데
It was you who killed Matorin, wasn't it? I know you gave the Americans proof. 3 days after Stalin was laid in state, as a party member, we were privileged to realize I had been born in a prison. Do to others before they do to me. To survive by any means. So now you know. I am the mole. After you turn me in, you will be a hero, beyond suspicion, and continue my work with the Americans. You have the power to decide whether or not I die in vain.
Sent Matoran, didn't you? So I wouldn't have a choice.
You never did.
Stop.
I want to speak with the Russian ambassador. Call Zakharov.
I have the name of the mole.
You will call Zakharov. You will tell him to make a trade.
Me for the mole.
They will escort you part of the way. Anything goes wrong, we abort. All right, Nate, it's time.
Your uncle will be very proud. Are you gonna tell me how you found out his name? I guess that was plague all along. You realize you might have just got him killed. Some things can't be sacrificed. We don't throw people away.
그런데 네이트의 예상과 달리 첩자의 정체가 반야였고
Find the identity of your... That's our man!
Bye, Nate.
과연 이게 어떻게 된 일일까요? 지금으로부터 며칠 전
Called from Budapest, gave us the name of the mole, searched the mole's office, his apartment. This is a statement. Recently made payments of 200. Name with your passport number. Recently made a trip to Vienna. Did you know she gave us discs you passed on to the president? The encryption signature suggests it was written.
You're special. You have a gift like me.
Great family I have.
도미니카는 그동안 반야를 첩자로 만들기 위한 행동들을 해왔었고
You killed me.
Didn't I do well, uncle? Target is in range.
Hello?
이렇게 영화는 끝이 납니다.